To 7. We need water.
Topic covered. Water is important. How do we use fresh water? Potable water, water purification plant, storing water, water storage, scarcity of water in villages, cities, rainwater harvesting.
All living things need water to live. To work properly, our body needs very water every day. Water helps in the digestion of food. It helps us to remove waste from the body. It also helps the blood to circulate in our body. We must drink 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. At home, we need water for many things. Some of them are brushing, bathing, drinking, watering plants, washing, cooking. Water is important. Water is essential for all living things. Without water, there would be no life on the earth. Farmers use water to grow crops. This is called irrigation. Although there is a plenty of water on the earth, only a small part of our water is available for our use. The water we use is not salty as found in seas and ocean. It is called fresh water. The amount of water on the earth is fixed. How do you use fresh water? We get water from ponds, rivers, lakes, seas and oceans. These are the source of water. Rainwater is the main sources of water. The rainwater that seeps into a soils are known as groundwater. Groundwater is the most important source of water. Beside rain fills areas on the ground like rivers, streams, ponds and lakes. We get water from these rivers, streams, lakes and ponds. It contains very small amount of salts. In small towns and villages, people dig wells to contain water. They also use hand pumps to raise groundwater to the surface. In cities, water from these sources is stored in huge tanks called reservoirs. From these tanks, it reaches our homes through big pipes. We use water for various purposes such as bathing, washing, cooking, etc. We also know that fresh water is limited, but our needs for water is constantly increasing. We need water for domestic use, for industries and factories. We also need water for irrigations of crops, gardeners and for domestic animals. Potable waters. Potable waters is the water which is fit for drinking. It is very important to make water absolutely safe for drinking and prevents the spread of diseases. Water collected from open sources like wells, rivers and lakes can be made safe at home by following certain steps. A. Boiling. We must first boil the water in order to kill the germs present in water. Water should be boiled and then cooled before drinking. B. Filtration. Filtrations remove particles of sand and other insoluble impurities. It can be done by stirring waters through a filter. We can also filter through a cloth. However, it is best to boil and then filter water before drinking it. Water purification plant. Water can that comes through pipes into our homes has to be treated to remove all types of dirt present in it. Water from a lake or a river is sent to a water treatment plant. Germs are killed by making the sunlight fall on it. Huge open air tanks. Then chlorophyll is added to kill tiny insects and germs that can be make us ill. Water is then passed through layer of different things like sand before it is sent through pipes into our homes. Storing water. Water must be safe and stored carefully. Tanks underground or overhead are used to store water. In homes, water is stored in buckets and drums for bathing and washing. In kitchen, containers with lids or covers must be used to keep water. These should be clean and refilled every day. We should always store drinking water in clean containers and keep it covered so that no insect, dust or dirty gets into it. Water storage. In some parts of our country, very little rainfall occurs. These places face storage of water throughout the year. Water storage gets worse during summers. People have to walk long distance to fetch water. They spread hours together every day just to collect enough water for their very basic needs. People of these areas face a lot of difficulties due to scarcity of water. One reason of water scarcity is wastage of water. People leave their taps running or they do not get their leaking taps repaired. They also waste a lots of water in our daily activities. As a result of water storage, water is not freely available for household use. There is less water to grow crops. There is even a storage of electricity. If it conditions continues for a 2 year or two, we say we are facing a drought. Scarcity of water in villages and cities. The place where there is a scanty rainfall has a little or no water. The people in a villages especially have to go to a far off to get water. Many villages do not get water through taps. The villages get groundwater from wells, tube wells and hand pumps. Many villagers walk long distance to get water from their daily needs. Similarly, in cities also people face the problems of drinking water. Nowadays, more and more people are coming to towns and cities are earning their livings. This has resulted in a overcrowding of the cities. As such, people living in a crowded area face the importance of drinking water. To solve this problem, people use the facility of water tankers. The water tankers provides them water for their daily requirement. Rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting means storing the rainwater during the rainy seasons and using it later on. But how it is rainwater stored? First of all, the rainwater is collected in a tank and underground pits. These tanks and pits can store large quantity of water. Then the stored water is used in various activities. Rainwater harvesting is especially used in areas where the water is scarce or supplying in at A.